Today's video is going to be replacing the power steering pump on this Honda Civic. The power steering pump started intermittently making a whining noise, so we're going to go ahead and replace it. So now we're going to take off this return hose. And I'm going to take this reservoir off with the pump so I don't spill any of the fluid that's in the hose that supplies the pump. First thing we're going to do is loosen the tension on this belt. Okay, first we're going to take off this upper jam nut. It's a 12 millimeter. And once you loosen the upper jam nut, there's a lower jam nut. You can see it right there. Now with the belt out of the way, we're going to take off the upper nut that we were loosening earlier. And before we take off the bottom bolt, we're going to take off the supply line, the pressure line. There are two 10 millimeter bolts. Now we're going to take off this top bracket. Here's the top assembly. And now with the top bolt removed, it swivels and you have way better access to the bottom bolt. I didn't press record on accident, but that's the stud that the lower mount goes onto. It already fell off. And once you take off the nut, you can remove the pump off of the stud, or you can push the stud out of the way and lift it straight up. Alright, so now we can compare the old one with the new one. I'm going to take the hose off. I'm going to leave the bottom hose on the new pump, and I'm going to take off the reservoir and I'll deal with the reservoir after. But if I don't have the reservoir when I'm putting this on, it'll give me room for the bottom bolt. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this lower hose and put it on the new pump. Now with the old seal, we're going to find which one of these new seals is the same size. Yeah, I'm going to go with the bigger one. Alright, with the pump just loosely installed, you can see that stud is through the bottom mount. Now we're going to go ahead and put the nut on, probably snug enough to where I can still rotate it, but it's snug so when I put everything back on and adjust the tension, I only have to rotate this a certain amount to get it tight, because at that point the belt's going to be on, it'll be in its tensioned position, so we won't have access to tying this easily. And now we can put the belt on the power steering pump. And now it's on the power steering pump. So now we can put the upper mount on and set the tension. Now we're going to put the reservoir back on. Alright, we're using Honda Genuine power steering fluid. I got it on Amazon for $9 each. $9 each one. I got 2 of them just in case. Alright, so it's topped off right now. I have the new bottle ready, so as soon as the car gets started, it's going to suck in fluid in the pump and start pressurizing the lines. Got to make sure that the reservoir does not run dry. I got the front wheels off the ground, so now I'm going to steering lock full left and full right to bleed any system air. Alright, with the system running, you just check for leaks at all the hose connections that you touched. Level is right at full. I'll have to put the cap back on. And just make sure you're not leaking out of your pressure line with that seal that you replaced. And that's how you replace a power steering pump on this Honda. Hopefully this video helps y'all. Y'all have a good one.